Hello guys, this is Boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I'll walk you through how to download Firefox in your Windows machine. This step is very easy. You go to any browser. Prefers I use Google Chrome. Go and hit Firefox. Click on it and go to official website mozilla.org and click download Firefox and wait for a second until, until your download should be automatically. You see we have that Firefox installer.exe. Double click on it. Click yes. Now in installing and wait for a second. This may take time or something like that. You see we have successfully downloaded Firefox browser in your PC. And this video for today, hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.